So we are at right now a gun range, gonna shoot some guns. Like we about to go crazy. Honestly, so today again we woke up a bit late because yesterday we did go experience the nightlife a bit. It was so funny though. Yesterday, they're more known for their country, and where I am, I don't know wherever you're watching this, but from where I am, it's really not. It's not popular country, or it's not for my type of like vibe or people. So like we passed by for like an hour, and it was just funny. It was interesting for sure, but it was a late night, so we we woke up this morning. It is Sunday, so it's Super Bowl day. Doesn't mean that you can't work. So this morning I read a bit. I didn't do really much, to be honest. Maybe tonight, because we're gonna chill a bit. Tonight we're not gonna do anything crazy. Played some board games. So maybe tonight get some work done. But honestly, man, I'm telling you, this trip just started, but it is a crazy vibe. Just the experience of I can't express it enough, man. Just with your boys and just working and experiencing life. That's how it should be. We literally said, so the idea of how I used to be like this, and I don't think you should think about it like this, where it's like whenever you're not in front of your desktop and you're not working, you're doing something else, you feel guilty, but you really shouldn't. And let me explain. So obviously, I don't think you should be doing degenerate activities or degenerate stuff. That's for sure not. But anything else, like right now we're going to a gun range and shoot, or even as simple as going for a walk or a hike with your family. Like that's life. That's stuff that, it grows you as a man and it grows you as a person with experience. And I don't think that when you're not working, let's say you're not doing degenerate stuff, I think that is life. Like your life should not be in front of a desk for 9 hours straight. Like the whole point, we try to work on our desktop as much as possible because we could be free and live life how it should be. I heard this quote where it was saying how living life unbalanced is actually very healthy for a short period of time. So we live life now very unbalanced. We grind, we work hard, we spend hours every day, restless nights, but those are gonna be worth it, and that's gonna add up to eventually living a life very balanced. That's the goal. So again, like days like this where work is not really there, like I'm not really working. Yes, the business may be on top of my head and I may be thinking about it, but I'm not really in front of my computer working. But look, it's a Sunday. I'm spending time with my friends, my boys, my family. After the gun range, we're gonna go watch the Super Bowl. Comment down below who you think is gonna win. Hopefully 49ers are getting it, but again, at the end of the day, I truly believe that life is, you should experience it. Now, a story is, Hamza. I'm sure everyone knows Hamza, is the influencer on YouTube. I heard a story about how some man who was 15 years old, sadly his father passed away and left him a lump sum of money, around $50,000, and that's a lot of money for a young kid. And he's like, what should I do with that money? And basically everyone was saying how you should invest into a business or put into some investment into the market, something along those lines. And Hamza's answer was completely different, and I really appreciated it because it was different than what everyone expected. And the answer is that hard truth, and it's the hard truth. When you're 15, you're gonna be shit at everything. You're gonna be bad at everything: marketing, trading, sales, IT. It doesn't matter. You'll be shit at everything. You're 15. It's normal. So it's like, instead of spending money on stuff you're gonna be bad at, he said, go do something crazy. Go to Thailand and do some Muay Thai tournament, and that's gonna develop you as a person. And he also mentioned to to record that, and he's like, you're eventually going to do well with money because your social media will do well because you're doing extraordinary life things. So you're doing something that usually other people don't do. So that's going to do well on social media. But even if it doesn't, you develop yourself as a man, as a human being. And with those lessons and experience and the discipline and all the things you learn from that, then you can come back when you're around 18, 19 and apply to business. So my point is that do not get overworked on, you know, if you're not at your desk working in front of your computer for 9 hours straight every day, you feel guilty. You should not. And I used to be guilty of this, but I've realized that life happens. We're humans. We're not built, and we should never, and I don't think it's even possible to do 9 hours in front of a computer every day for years, every 365, like every day. It's impossible. We have life, you know, like life happens. But I don't think that if it's degenerate stuff, forget that. But if it's not, man, like, enjoy it. It should be enjoying the process. It's not about the destination. It's about enjoying the process. So that's the way I see it. You're enjoying the process. You also should live life where you have in your mind that you're already there. It's this kind of this mindset thing where it's like, instead of feeling like you're on a journey, experience that you're already there. Like for this trip, I feel like I've made it. And technically I am. I'm free. And I'm working while traveling and experiencing and doing activities. So trust me, I really think with this key mindset tip, don't overwork yourself on I'm not in front of my computer shit, but you know, like, forget about that. You know, you're gonna work when you have the time. When you have the time, you go. Make sure don't fuck around, do degenerate stuff. But when you're out doing activities, I promise you should enjoy it and absorb the experience, absorb the lessons and the knowledge that you gain from all of it, and just enjoy it. Anyways, we're about to go shoot some guns, and make sure to keep working. I'll see you at the top.